Hi everyone, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in as always. It's always an update because I'm always doing something. I'm coming in to give you guys a little update. I'm standing here trying to eat a little salad, put something in my system before I go out here and re-sow a bunch of different seeds that really didn't take off or do too well during the whole planting the seedlings 6-week early stage. Also a couple of other updates as well as far as building another different type of trellis, of me upcycling one of my gazebos that we took down about a month or so ago, and I'm reusing that as a trellis. I think I'm going to do my string beans in that particular bed on the back side. We'll see. Something always changing, but I do know that, you know, I want different, quite a bit different, always doing something, quite a bit of different trellises and things like that, because I don't want everything all over the place, which there's nothing wrong with that. Like certain areas, that's gonna happen, but I just want to make sure majority of the things that can climb, I'll have something for them to climb up on. So I'm gonna start a video here and show you guys how me and my husband did it. We just popped some old railings from the gazebo and we put the top railing on top, and I tied some twine that I purchased from Lowe's. It's a bit of thicker twine. I think it's gonna do pretty good because it has that thickness to it versus the ones that you would probably get from Dollar Tree. They're a little bit thinner, but they'll also work for things that are not as, you don't need to for anything heavy to climb up on. I use the Dollar Tree twine to twine up like wires and maybe even like tomatoes to stake them up a little bit more, but something to climb up on them and to, you know, have that gravity. I think this would do as far as the thickness of it.